We are here in beautiful Palm Bay, Florida, and this is the revamped Cali floor plan by DR Horton. The Cali is still one of the most popular new home floor plans available today. And this Cali that I'm gonna be showing you features something a lot of you have asked for, no HOA. Now we're gonna go inside and take a look at this Cali, and I'm gonna be pointing out some very specific details that DR Horton is offering here on new homes in Palm Bay. Plus, I'm gonna be giving you all the juicy details that you wanna know about, including pricing, cost of ownership, and even some crazy incentives that they're offering that's gonna keep your hard-earned money in your pocket and even help lower your monthly payment. Let's go. Now, as we work our way through this Cali, we're not only gonna talk about the home and what DR Horton offers here in Palm Bay, but we're also gonna cover build times on new construction, what's included with the base price, and the differences between new homes like this one with no HOA and homes in communities like Cypress Bay West. And there are some key differences that you may not realize. All right, before we continue, I do need to let you know that my team and I specialize in new construction and relocation here to Florida. So if you are considering buying a new home, you can definitely reach out to us. I've got our contact information right here, and I've also got some more resources for you in the description of this video. Now let's look at the specs of this home. The Cali is gonna come in at 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1828 square feet, and a 2-car garage. Let's go take a look. All right, so I've actually got DR Horton's floor plan that you guys can actually reference as we go through the video if you wanna follow along. So this is gonna be what they refer to as bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 is gonna come in at 10.4 by 11. You've got a standard single closet here. All the homes that DR Horton offers comes with the blinds on the windows. You're gonna have basic features like carpet in the bedrooms, ceramic tile in all the living areas. Now, I do wanna point out that this is a model home, so there are a few key differences that you're gonna see in this home compared to some of the other homes that you're gonna actually be buying. One of those are the doors. DR Horton has to take off the doors in their models. It's not a DR Horton thing, it's just a City of Palm Bay thing, so keep that in mind as we work our way through. This room that we're in now is gonna be considered bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 also comes in at 10.4 by 11, so it's identical to the bedroom that's in the front of the house. So right as soon as you walk in that front door, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. This is a full bath, and that's gonna come standard with a tub shower combo, single sink, toilet, and all the bathrooms now in DR Horton do come with quartz countertops and the same white shaker counter or cabinets that you're gonna see in the kitchen. So I mentioned build times a little bit earlier in this video. Right now, if you're considering buying new construction, the average build time for DR Horton is gonna be right around 6 months. Now, one of the key things that I want you to remember for later on is level 7. Anything that's level 7 or higher is typically gonna be done in, say, a 60 to 90 day time range. And level 7 is a significant stage, and I'm gonna tell you why in just a minute. But first, I'm gonna show you the 4th bedroom. So right off of the garage to here, this is the garage door. This is, again, it's a model. They have that set up as a sales office. You're gonna have the 4th bedroom over here. The 4th bedroom, as it's listed on the floor plan, is 11 by 11.8. So this room is actually gonna be a little bit bigger than those front 2 bedrooms, but it does have a smaller closet. So if you need more closet space, those front 2 bedrooms might be a better fit for you. So back to level 7 and why it matters. This is essentially the post drywall phase. This is when the drywall's done, they've got it mudded, paint's gonna start going in the house, flooring will be installed soon, and kitchen cabinets are being dropped off. The reason that this stage is significant is because this is when we're starting to get the best deals. And by deals, I'm not just talking about price of the home, I'm talking about the keep more money in your pocket kind of deals and keeping your monthly payment lower. But since we're here, let's go ahead and look at the kitchen, and then we'll dive a little deeper into that. So one of the things that DR Horton has done to revamp the Cali are the finishes that they're putting in the homes. Traditionally, the Palm Bay scatterlot homes were very basic. Now, these homes are gonna be coming with quartz countertops, white shaker style cabinets, stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, an undermount single tub sink. You get a full appliance package, nice walk-in pantry, and that same spacious kitchen layout that everybody loves in the Cali. So earlier, I mentioned that there are some key differences between new homes like this one with no HOA and homes in communities like Cypress Bay West. The number one difference I see that catches people by surprise are the utilities. If you're buying a home with no HOA in Palm Bay, there is a high probability that it's gonna come with well and septic. In fact, I'd say the majority of the time, these homes are gonna come with septic. On occasion, we do see new homes that have a city water and sewer option, but they do come at a cost. And more often, we are gonna see a city water and septic option available. So if this is something that is important to you, it's definitely a consideration you're gonna need to make up front. And if you'd like to learn more about what option might be best for you, definitely reach out. My team and I would love to connect with you. Another consideration when trying to determine what type of utility is right for you is cost. If you want a new home with no HOA on city water and sewer, it can cost you an extra $40,000. That's right, buying a new home on city water and sewer can cost you an extra 40 grand. Okay, so you're probably wondering what the actual cost of a home like this is gonna be. Well, we're gonna talk about that in just a minute, but first, let's go take a look at the master bedroom. All right, so the master bedroom. This is gonna be listed as bedroom number 1 on the floor plan. Bedroom 1 is 12 by 15, so it's a good spacious size room. You're gonna have the same types of finishes in this room as you saw in the rest of the home. The bathroom is gonna have a dual sink, vanity, same quartz countertops, same white shaker cabinets that you saw in the kitchen and the first bathroom. You are gonna have a walk-in shower, nice big walk-in closet in the back. So back to pricing. Outside of utility type, the lot size and location are actually the next biggest variable. And new homes like this with no HOA do tend to have larger lots than homes in communities like Cypress Bay West. These scatter lot homes tend to range between 0.23 to 0.3 of an acre. And surprisingly, these are still offered at lower prices than homes in communities. So you're ready for the juicy details on where these homes are priced? These actually aren't the juiciest details. So the juice is actually in these crazy incentives that DR Horton is offering right now, like covering all of your closing costs to minimize your out-of-pocket expense on the purchase of the home and offering lower than market interest rates for the life of the loan. Right now, we're seeing interest rates between 5 to 5.5% and even under 5% in some cases. So if this is something you want to take advantage of, definitely reach out. All right, so pricing. You can get a Cali like this one with no HOA between $335 to $375. Calis in communities like Cypress Bay West, Adamson Creek, or Crystal Bay are gonna range between $365 to $415,000. And if you're wondering what these communities offer that you might be missing out on a home like this with no HOA, check out this video right here. I'll see you there.